Use driving directions. This is a really simple hack if you show your address on your Google Maps listing to use driving directions every single day to go to your shop or to your office. Quite simply, if your crews go out, have them, when they come back for the day, pull up the Google Maps listing, hit driving directions, come back. You don't have to follow the driving directions. Just hit driving directions and come back. The further out you are from your location and you use driving directions to get back, tells Google that people are searching for your business in those areas, going to your maps listing, clicking on driving directions, and then coming to your location. If you don't show your address, you cannot use this. Don't show your address. Do not go and show your address because Gary's saying to use driving directions. You definitely want to follow terms and conditions. But if you do show your address, use driving directions daily to go back to your shop or back to your office and have your crews do it to help with user intent or user activity.